Hello trader, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today we'll have one short video about one important tool that traders should use. It's a Forex calendar, and I will show you two calendars. One is the biggest and most visited. It is a Forex Factory calendar, so you can try it. And another calendar that we have is on our website, forex.nrs. It's a economic calendar, and you can compare and learn more about it. So let me start from the beginning. This is the Forex Factory calendar. If you want to use, you can choose the date. For example, Thursday, you want a Friday, so just pick the date that you want in your left corner. Of course, you have a very simple links. For example, tomorrow, if you want to see tomorrow, next week, or you want to see this week, last week, etc. So just pressing on the left sidebar, you have a links to see the calendar for important events next week, this week, or past week. Of course, there is a metals calendar if you want to monitor everything about related to the energy or metals or crypto, but mostly traders use the Forex calendar. This calendar is excellent, and I like it. I like, of course, my calendar too on my website, but this calendar is simple, and this simplicity and very fast calendar that a lot of traders use. And the thing that I need to admit it's very good is that they offer free type of calendars for metals, for energy, for crypto, and of course regularly for Forex. Actually, it's a 4 calendars. So another thing that you need to understand, there is a impact option here, the orange, the yellow, and the red color. The red color means that the impact of that economic event is very important. The orange, that it's a medium important, and the yellow is the least important of all events that we can see here on the calendar. Of course, here in the left side you can choose the date. It's very good that you can choose the date, and you can search the events. You have a search button, and you can put for example, when is the non-farm payroll, and you will, after search, you will see that tomorrow on the Friday, August 4, will be the non-farm payroll, and you can check the dates, the expectation forecast, what is the actually forecast, and the previous thing. And one of the important thing that you can see the graph. So when you click here, for example, you can see the data, and this is the biggest advanced thing and tool that this simple Forex Factory calendar has. And it's that you can see all by table or the graph the past values, and for traders this is the remarkable. And I think just a few calendars can offer this that Forex Factory can. And please, if you're a professional trader or beginner trader, always press the graph and see the values, because as you can see how, for example, employment change during 2021, 2022, 2023, how that unemployment rate is going. And this is the very good thing in trading. You can always pick in the left bottom more, and you will always get more dates on this calendar. What is another thing? You can press the filter, and on the filter you can set very important things. And in this filter, what you can choose the currencies. You want all currencies. Maybe I just want a calendar related, for example, for US dollar, and I want to watch only high impact, like a red one. And when I apply the filter, voila, you can see the red high impact events for US dollar. And this filter you should use too. So the conclusion Forex Factory review of this calendar is always use the graph, always use the filters, because these two huge advantage of this calendar because you can manage by impact, by currency. You can see the past values using the graph, etc., etc. Of course, I want to present another choice for you on our website. You have a just link below this video, and you can see the calendar. You can calendar for today, for tomorrow, this week, next week, very, very fast. Here you can see unemployment rate and historical values as same as on Forex Factory. You can see the actual forecast. You can see the previous values. Here we have a filter. You can filter by Africa, America, Asia, Europe, by country, and the economic calendar by country. And this is the really top thing that you can use in your everyday trading habit. And like I said, you can choose the currency very fast. You can deselect SM is Forex Factory. You can use the local time or GMT time. And using this, you will really see everything that you need important. For example, I just want here for US dollar. I just want here to see the impact that is very high. And voila, you see that today and Friday we have the non-farm payrolls, average hourly earnings, etc., etc. So I presented in this video two very good calendars. Of course, you can choose Forex Factory or you can choose us. I just want to check. I just want to visit our website, check this calendar, and maybe in the future you will use our calendar and monitor all trades that are important for you. The calendar is updated by hourly, and there is people who monitor this all the time, and it's a 99% uptime. And like I said, it's very fast, and you can, like I said, make a filter by impact, by currencies, by country, by week or not. And of course, you can see when you click the information, you can see description, you can see the average earnings, you can see everything that you need to know about the events and everything that is important. So this is it. I wish you a great day and bye bye.